And he'll try to center it. Everybody was tied up. Maxwell. Now to Nyland. Stastny playing it back to Nyland. Penalty is about to expire as Graham comes on the ice. Here's a lead to center. And a fight in front of the net breaks up a 2-on-0 North Star rush. Hospodar and Clark toe-to-toe. And Clark can really let him fly. They love him here.
Now both players landed a few punches there. Clark got the first two in. Eddie Hospodar came back with a pair. And then Clark landed the last couple.
North Stars Hockey comes to you from Toronto on KITN TV, Channel 29.
You watch in front here as Clark is given a pretty good shove by Hospodar. And they just went right at it. Clark is a very tough customer. You pointed out the fact that the fans love him here. They say